Hi, this is Kris Hoff with Printaset. I'm here to show you open box here of Carlson's newest Viking receiver. For versus BRX7, what we have now is a base and rover case. This is exciting for a lot of my base rover customers. All one. What we got here for size is here we got 21 inches deep, 25 inches wide, and 9 inches deep. So everything we need to run the base and rover is going to be in here. And then chargers, everything. So open it up here, nice ruggedized case. And what we got here is we got the newest flagship receiver from Carlson, the Viking. This will have 3 RTK engines in there. Real excited about this. Have to follow more videos here to see it perform in the canopy and this dense urban areas if you want to. So what we have here is they're the same. There's no separate part number. It's either a base or a rover. We have that in here. And just like the BRX7s, we have the quick disconnect. This will be nice. Take on and off the base very quickly and off the rover rod. I love them. Try to eliminate drops in the field, which is a giant help. So we get 2 of those. Because we're running base rover, we can either run, we'll have 2 of these. The big whip antennas here for the 400 megahertz channels band for UHF. And then we also have 900 megahertz. We get 2 of these antennas as well if you want to run that way. Because the base rover case also comes with 4 batteries. And being a base and rover, Carlson was kind enough to include a Tribrach here if you're not going to use a fixed height GPS tripod and you're just using a regular instrument tripod. We got 2 chargers. What's nice about these are dual bay, so they'll charge all the batteries at the end of the day. Another thing about batteries, we should be able to go 10 hours with 2 of the batteries in there. And also, if you've got a longer duration and you're thinking, Carlson was kind enough, what they gave you here is power plug with alligator clips if you want to connect to marine battery or emergency situation, the truck battery, something to get you through the rest of the day. And then just like the rover kits you've seen before, we have this USB plug that you can have the batteries in the Viking, and we can actually charge it that way, not also the case. So if you're in the field, the case is back in the office, we can charge it through the 12 volt of the vehicle. So we get 2 of those. And then these cables over here, this is the data if you're looking to connect to a external radio, 35 watt radio if you have that. And then I really like these. These have been big help. What we can do, these are extensions to attach the UHF antenna. So we plug that on the bottom in the port here. And then what was very nice, our base antenna can get up in the air, travel longer distance for us. So we get 2 of those. And then top it all off, we got our tape measure to verify anything, our rod heights, our base heights. So really excited about having this base rover case for the first time. Just making sure everybody's covered in the field. And there's also, if you need to, or you lose something out in the field, we also sell these separately if you need to. So thanks for watching and keep following Printaset on YouTube.